G'day folks, how you going? It's Brad here from the Headshot Guys, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about chins. I look at headshot photographs all day, every day. I look at portraits all day, every day. I see far too many photographs where people have got their chins showing. Now, I just can't understand photographers that will release photographs where people have their three chins showing. Now, it's up to you to teach your clients how to get rid of those chins in a photograph. Now, there's a couple of things you can do. One is to elevate your camera height. If you have a client that's got a number of chins, you need to get the camera up a little bit higher so that you're not looking down on them, but certainly not looking up under their neck. So if you're a photographer and you're short, you've got to get either you up or your client down. Now, I'm short. What I do is I have my clients sit on a stool, and that brings their height down a bit lower. Even if they're 6'8", it means that I can shoot them at a height level that allows me to hide their chins. Now, and it's a simple movement. Even people that are really fit, you know, if I go back like this, you still see all this stuff. Yeah, but you can get rid of it, and it's a really simple, easy move. All it is just pushing your face towards the camera. It's not complicated, it's not hard. It's just a simple technique that will allow your client and you to remove any chins that your client might have. Yes, it feels weird, and yes, your client's going to be a little bit concerned about pushing their face towards the camera. But if you're shooting tethered, which you should be anyway, as any sort of a half decent photographer, shooting tethered means you're shooting into a computer of some description, not on the back of your camera where you can't see jack. You need to be shooting into a computer so you can show your client, you can see it more importantly, and you should be able to get rid of their chins by, again, going up a little bit higher. It doesn't mean you come up from the top of their head. It just means that you are elevating your camera height a little bit higher than their jawline, probably somewhere in around their eyes or something. But again, you can play with that. And the other movement is for the client. You've got to teach your client to just push your face out a little bit towards the camera. It's not complicated. Yes, it feels weird, but it looks really good. You've just got to understand that. You need to know this as a photographer. Okay, that's enough about chins. That's it. Any questions? Give me a shout. I'm Brad from the Headshot Guys. See you next time.